Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW 1 Series, guys, pretty much any generation, any engine, 4 6-cylinder gasoline diesel engine, guys, and your serpentine belt falls off. If it falls off, we will explain what can cause that and how to fix a belt that keep coming off, guys. That's very common, and we will explain, guys, at least 5 reasons that can cause that. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you need to buy a new belt, parts, tensioner, anything like that, tools, guys, check out the links will be shared in the description of the video below. In addition, guys, we have another channel that's our main channel, and it's called Auto Repair, guys. This is our main channel, and we have helped more than 69 million people, guys. We constantly add new videos, and they help so many people. So definitely, guys, subscribe. Okay, the mission of that channel is to save you money, guys, in the long run. So depending on the year, model, configuration, engine code that you have, okay, your serpentine belt diagram may look different, but the procedure for a belt to come off and fixing it, guys, will be about the same for every BMW 1 Series. You have your crankshaft pulley, known as harmonic balancer in some cases, and when your engine runs, that crankshaft pulley is attached to the crankshaft, it will spin, and that pulley will actually run your belt. You may have power steering pump, idle pulley, it could be at a different location, alternator, tensioner pulley, AC compressor. Your water pump is not driven by the belt in most cases, it's driven by the electric water pump in some models. Okay, some diesels you may have a mechanical pump, but you will definitely know about it, guys. So all that being said now, guys, okay, what can cause that belt to come off? Number one that we see here, okay, at the shop, is a tensioner that fails. That tensioner has a big spring behind it, and if that spring actually gets weak, it will not, guys, put enough pressure on the belt. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, we'll get the tool in there, for instance, like removing the belt, and you can see we remove the belt, and it has a big spring that constantly puts some pressure. But sometimes they will break, guys, they will fail, and you always have to replace the bolt with a special bolt here in the middle as well. Ours is not, and we definitely need to take care of that. In addition, the pulleys right here, listen now. That pulley, that has play. When those pulleys fail, guys, the one on the tensioner and one you have an idle pulley, you may have even 2 of those. When they fail, what happens? Okay, the bearing may break, and sometimes even the plastic pulley breaks, because that's just plastic, wears out sometimes, and that will cause, guys, actually that will cause that thing to fail, and it can develop a play, and that play will kick your belt out, especially at high RPM. So that's very common as well, guys. What else can cause that? Let me put the belt on and we'll explain quick. Make sure, guys, okay, that the belt is not stretched. If it's too stretched, it can come off, because actually the tensioner will not be able to get that slack out of it. The belt can stretch because it's too old, wore out, or if you have an oil leak or coolant leak dripping on the belt, it will actually make that rubber soft, and as a result it will easily stretch. Another thing that we see here at the shop, sometimes people install the belt and they don't go, okay, in every pulley, every canal where they should. If you move that belt a little bit to the left on this side of the AC compressor, when you start your car, the belt will get destroyed or it will come off. And another thing that we see, AC compressor that is locked up, okay, or alternator that locks up, power steering that locks up, but usually is the AC compressor is the most common one. When it locks up, the pulley will not be able to turn. Your crankshaft will still be turning, and this pulley will not turn, and you may even see smoke coming out of the belt, and the belt will come off. That's very common, guys. And another thing, for higher mileage BMW 1 Series, guys, your crankshaft pulley, it has a big rubber bushing right here that actually gets the vibrations out of that pulley and the belt. And if that harmonic balancer crankshaft pulley fails, it can develop play, noises, and that can destroy your belt and come off as well. Those are the most common reasons that we see here at the shop. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.